So 5 websites that you can get remote job as a digital marketer or virtual assistant. You know what I mean? So I've been traveling since last year, April. You know what I mean? I've been going to 14 countries. So how am I able to stay traveling and still earning money? So I'm gonna give you 5 websites that I use every day to actually get a remote job as a digital marketer. So the first website is Ordercom, which is OTTA.com. I love this website so much because you get a bigger project, you know what I'm saying, 10,000, 5,000, 100,000 project on this website. The best thing about it is once you sign up, they will send you project every week. They will send you 10, 5, 20 projects every week you can apply it, you know what I mean? So the problem is some of the jobs are only available for United States citizens. Some of the companies that are hiring anybody from anywhere, so make sure you filter the right way to get the right project. Number 2 website is Indeed, the biggest job posting website in the world. So you can find any kind of job. If you go search digital marketing Indeed, make sure you filter for remote. You're gonna find a lot of jobs and make sure those jobs are available to anybody worldwide. Because sometimes they put a restriction of just a US citizen, you have to be remote by in America. So the number 3, this is the OG website, is Google Business or Google Map nowadays they call it. If you go to Google Map, you can actually go search any business, for example, like a dentist in New York or dentist in Atlanta or dentist in Chicago. You're gonna find a lot of them, and the best thing about it is you can actually see if they don't have a website or they have a website. You know what I mean? If you don't have a website, it's the right time to send them a cold email or cold call, ask them, hey, I can build your website for you. And the best thing about it, Google Business has the business information, has the business email, and it has the business phone number. You can actually reach out to them. Number 4 website is LinkedIn, the most professional website. I don't like LinkedIn because everybody's fake on LinkedIn. You know, they be wearing suit, and also they like to post, funny message I'm so glad I got this job as delivery for for UPS. You know what I'm saying? But they want to make it look fancy. But you can filter for actual remote. There's a lot of jobs, and there's an international company worldwide hiring people, remote and outsourcing companies. And number 5 is FlexJob. FlexJob is the perfect one. The reason why is made for people who are working remote. Basically, all the jobs on FlexJob is remote jobs. So I'm gonna give you another tip. If you're looking for a remote job, you need to look at this, right? You can either go for a company to hire you, or you can find agencies that are, for example, when I was running my agencies, I would go get the clients, and then I would find people to outsource to work for. You can actually go there and find agencies which actually doing marketing, they're doing digital marketing and stuff like that. And actually be their outsourcing partner. Basically, they're outsourcing their clients work to you, and that you can have a steady job. The other one I'm gonna do in this day is Fiverr, Upwork, and some other website you can use, Guru.com. You can also use another one like here, TopTalent.com. There's so many websites to find jobs. The problem is not the job, the problem is you're lazy. You're not looking enough. I've been able to travel since April. I've been on vacation for almost a year right now, and I keep earning money still. I didn't cut my income. I'm able to book a flight every month, go spend a month in one country, and come back, do whatever I want basically. So if you're looking for a remote job, stop complaining and go to this website right now and tell them I sent you. You know what I mean? So also we have a digital marketing course, digital marketing class launched in Africa to get you ready to the new world, new economy, be able to get a job overseas. You don't have to be stuck in your country. And I'm gonna leave the link below to sign up for my free classes, which is every Saturday 6:30 p.m. on Zoom, and the paid classes, which is gonna give you all the blueprint you need to get ready for the market. And also we have a digital marketing summit coming up in Kenya, March 6th. Make sure you sign up. I'm gonna leave the link below. I'm out.